Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Bulgari Kitchen. Viewers, today in Bulgari Kitchen, I'm going to make chicken broccoli with oyster sauce. So, if you're not subscribed Bulgari Kitchen, please do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comment in comment section. So, I'm going to make chicken broccoli with oyster sauce. So, keep watching the full recipe. Don't skip the video, so you will see how to make chicken broccoli with oyster sauce step by steps. So viewers, let me take you to Bulgari kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients. Here I cut already chicken into cubes, sunflower oil, black pepper powder, soya sauce, 1 egg, corn flour. Broccoli here I already blanched into hot water, slice of some onion, slice of carrots, oyster sauce, crushed black pepper, soak some round chili, green chili, and garlic. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe. So viewers, let's start. Take one bowl, adding our chicken into the bowl in this way. Add 1 piece of egg, half teaspoon of soy sauce, black pepper, 2 spoons of cornstarch. Mix together all nicely. Marinate all together. So mix nicely in this way. Look at this. Then I'm going to add oil, so it will not sticky while you are frying. Marinate gently. Keep it for half an hour. So our marination is ready. So here I have already adding oil to make it hot, and then I'm going to fry the chicken. Let's try. It's hot. Our oil is hot. I'm going to fry the chicken with the help of spoon. It is safest way to put chicken. Keep frying the chicken until it's golden brown. So viewers, our chicken is golden brown, so I'm going to remove and stain. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Add spoon of oil, and then first ingredients always my garlic. Chop garlic. Saute the garlic for 1 minute. Adding onion. Mix together. Add the carrots also. Mix gently. Keep stirring constantly. Add the chili. Cook for some time. Now it's time to add the sauce. I'm going to add oyster sauce. It's around 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Crushed black pepper. And this sauce is amazing sauce. This sauce is very delicious. Now I'm going to add the chicken with the golden fried chicken, adding it together with the sauce. I'm going to add the chili, which give another aroma to our chicken. Then I'm going to add broccoli. Mix together for 1 to 2 minutes. If you are going to cook this one in wok, it is more nice way to cook. Chinese always use wok, so you can use also wok. And I'm going to add some starch, like you can add potato starch or corn flour. So I'm going to add some corn flour into it to make it little bit thicker, the sauce, just like that. And just mix. Make sure your heat is on high heat. So look at this. Now it's coated with the chicken and everything. Look at this. Our chicken broccoli oyster sauce is almost ready. I'm going to switch off the flame and going to dish out. So viewers, our chicken is ready. Chicken broccoli oyster sauce is ready. I'm going to serve on the plate this way. You can see beautiful, amazing chicken. Very, very delicious, colorful. So our chicken broccoli oyster sauce is ready. So viewers, very, very delicious chicken broccoli oyster sauce ready. I'm going to taste definitely. Wow, it's very, very delicious, very, very hot. Wow, it's like wow, and it's amazing. Very, very delicious. The flavor touches my heart. So definitely I'm going to eat this all. You can serve this one with any kind of fried rice. So later I'm going to cook sweet corn chicken fried rice. So watch that video also. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen and don't forget to give your beautiful comment in comment section. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen always. Have a great day. Wow.